Hey, how's it going, everyone? Bike Hippie here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change a tire on your bike. I'm going to take this 29 by 2.35 tire off this rim and replace it with this 29 by 2.0 tire. So first things first, let the air out. Then you want to get yourself a tire lever. See that? They usually come in pairs. I lost the other one a long time ago, but I don't need to. Don't use anything sharp. If you don't have tire levers, you can probably get away with using a wooden spoon or something. I've done it. But don't use anything that's got a point or anything sharp that's going to cut your tube. So, now what you want to do, now that you got all the air out, you need to break the bead. So what you do to break the bead, you just grab right there and pull. See? Just pull it. See how I pulled that off of there? And you want to pull it off all the way around. And you can do both sides. Take your tire lever. See how it's got a little bit of a lip on it like that? And you stick that in there until you get some of the tire. And if that happens, you need to let out more air. Just like that, okay? Then you take the tire lever, get it under there, put it over the rim like that. See how that is? And then you want to slide it towards you. Whoop. Sometimes that'll happen. And then more of the tire will come off. You can slide this way. Oh. And sometimes this will happen where the tire doesn't want to come off. But eventually, you can just hold it there. Come on. Get your tire lever right up in there. And that tire's, oh, there we go. And that tire's gonna come. You sometimes just need to go back and forth. Sometimes some are really easy, some are not so easy. And yeah, once you got it all off like that, you come around to the other side. I like to put it on my foot like that so that when I peel the tire off, pull the tube out like that, that the tire, the wheel is now on my foot and not on the pavement. Then you can take the tube right out. So it's there. And we're going to put the new tire on. Tire, and you want to turn it into a bit of a tire. Okay, now that you got your tire looking like a tire, you take your rim and you want to take a look on your tire. Your tire has a rotation arrow of which way the tire is supposed to roll. So this is the drive side, this is the disc side, and then looking at the arrow, the rotation. And you can also look at the tire pattern, and see that the flat part of the knobs, see the flat, this side's flat and this side's pointy. The pointy go forward, the flatter to the back. So this is the fun part, getting this tire onto the rim. So what you want to do is you want to find your valve where the valve goes through, you know, the hole. And you want to line that up. And some people line it up with the EXO, some people line it up with the tubeless ready. I'm lining it up with the 3C there. That's what I'm lining it up with, okay? So, put your tire in. You line it up. Okay. Once the tire's on like that, see that? Once it's on like that, you can go ahead and stick your tube in. Look for a little whatever's on your tube, because it was on the ground. I don't need to be putting in my tire. Then, oh no, I didn't line that up properly. There we go. Go too far. Yes. There we go. So as I was trying to say, I'm not the bike mechanic. I'm the bike hippie who showers twice a day and eats fast food. You know, I'm not really even that much of a hippie. People just call me a hippie because I have long hair. Isn't that funny how that works? Okay, so once the tube is in, oh, we're so close to the finish line. So you can go ahead and just give that tube a tiny little bit of air. And you could have done this before. You put it in there. You click that in there like so. Get it back up on your legs. And you click around like this. You click it in. And then I'll take it and keep holding on to it. I'm showing this way. And then see that tube, how it's wanting to come out? You want to make sure that tube is in there. Nicely. Get in there, tube. Get in there, tube. So this is where things get fun. Sometimes you got to work smarter and not harder. So I don't know if you saw what I did there, but I just went around the tire and started kind of working it. Okay, and here's where I had a problem with these tires when I first mounted them. what you got to do to mount the tire properly. This is crucial. Okay, you want to pump them past the 30 psi that you want to run at until it pops, until it goes, you'll hear it pop onto the rim. Just like that. And that's how you mount a tire on a rim. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Pow.